Hello everyone, Sam here from myforexmagicweb.com, making this a small video as a weekly recap. So, the trades taken using Magic IB system. So let's get started. Week started on the 29th, Monday, the 29th July, and there was a pound weakness in the air because of some news, and as well as my chart, which were like I think, if I can show you that this is the chart I made for pound index on the 13th, July 13th, and it was dropping all the way from the top, but this is since July 13th it was here, and I said if we're gonna drop for this pattern, then we will be dropping and pound will be getting weaker, dragging all the pound pairs to the downside. And what happened so far is this. So it came down all the way from here, a little bit more to go, maybe the next week, but because of this downfall in the pound index, all pound pair went down, and based on that, these trades were pound Aussie. You can see here short again, pound Aussie on the 29th, one more pound Aussie and pound Aussie. With that, 29 July, pound CAD as well. All pound pair went down except euro pound went up. Pound yen, you can see 29. This entry got knocked out, but this one went down all the way, and then the big one is this again, pound yen on the 29th. Same pound on the 29th, pound NZD, the first entry, the second entry, and the first entry was carried over all the way right here, right on the 29th. And the 29th also pound USD, you can see here. USD didn't give me any early entry on that day, but it went down here all the way, but still 100 pip, not a bad deal. Here on the 30th was quiet, and I was tired as well, so I didn't do anything. On the 31st, again Aussie strength. What happened here was not Aussie, sorry, USD. US dollar index got strong because of the news. This is the chart I made a long time ago, a few months ago actually, on the 22nd April, that the USD is going to be going 0698. That would be the final target, but yeah, it went up, it came down, and then it went up again, trying this week again. You can see here it went up from here to here, then it came down, and I predicted that as well, the down move. If you look at, see that here, right there, right? And I said that it's gonna drop from here, and then it did. Let me go back a few chart more here, right? So we went there, then I said we're gonna drop, and then one more try to the upside, and that's what happened. And then it hit the upper tier, and then now dropping. So hopefully in the coming days it's gonna drop. But since it got strong, it sent Euro Aussie, pound Aussie, USD, Euro USD, pound USD, all the 4 USD pair were the USD on the right hand side, I mean the left hand side, to the downside. So based on that, if you can see here, my trades, Aussie USD will go down, and similarly here, NZD USD went down also. Pound USD already saw, then went down. So anywhere where the USD is on the right hand side, if USD gets strong, those pair will go down, and the rest will go up. Like USD CAD will go up, USD franc will go up, USD yen will go up. I didn't trade USD yen though. So these trades, USD pairs, were based on USD strength. And then later on Thursday, there's a news came out for yen from Japan, that Japan took some action for South Korea or whatever, right, political. So because of that, yen start getting strong, and this is the chart I made on the 13th July, that yen index is going to be dropping, means yen is going to get a strong target, was 50 to 52. And what happened to this chart as of Friday here, it went down all the way, bypassing my target 50 to 52, and just keep dropping right now. And because of that, all yen pair went down, and that's what happened. Yen gets strong, all yen pair, because yen is always on the right hand side. So starting from here, this is also pound Aussie and euro Aussie the other day on the 1st, August 1st, and then you can see here that yen game started. So this is pound yen, right, the August 1st, because of that news. And then you can see euro yen all the way down here. That's big trade here. Yen got very strong and sending all yen pair to the downside. New Zealand yen all the way down here, and you can see franc yen again all the way down for 120 pip. New Zealand yen was something like that too, and then Aussie yen here. Franc yen, New Zealand yen, pound yen, euro yen. 5 yen pair. I had beautiful entries. They all went down. Why? Because of the yen strength, which I see. This is what happened. It's supposed to drop from below 53.38, and this is my old chart, and this is the new chart. It went down nice and clean, sending all yen pair went down, going to the downside. Now the only thing on Friday I had is the USD, Aussie USD, one of them, right? This is on the, actually the entry was from the first. I just closed it on the second, but you know, I wrote down to see this one. This here, the second, August 2nd started already, but the entry was on the first. And then you have this is the only one that I made an entry on Friday, August the 2nd. So these are the trade, almost like 22, 23 trades of a 7-minute chart. Even though this is the slowest month of the year, but this system gave me so many good entries. I used to trade from 20-minute charts, which we will switch back in from the second week of August, third week of August, because the volume will come back, and we will have more deeper retracements, higher range, daily ranges. So we'll switch that. We make the switch in third week in August. So far this is how it is, and if you like what you saw, go on my website. You want to be a part of it, you want to learn the system, you want to get it. This is weekend, Saturday, and get the system. Saturday, Sunday you can set up the charts. If you have any difficulty setting up the charts, I can get on the Skype and help you out, and you know, setting up the charts and understanding the system, and then start trading from Monday like this. So like I said, go on my website, subscribe, and get going. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful weekend.